In this presentation, I will be making my future predictions for education 10 years from now. Technology innovations are significantly altering the way students learn, and in this presentation, I want to present the 4 disruptive technology that is being presented in education today. I'll discuss technological devices, virtual reality, augmented reality, artificial intelligence. So we'll start off with technological devices. This includes iPads, phones, Chromebooks, laptops, etc. My first prediction is that videos will be used to personalize education. Since teachers can record their videos or teachers can pull off videos from YouTube, students can access these videos and watch them as needed and to understand content. Online learning will replace physical classrooms, so many students will be taking classes remotely. I also predict that portfolios will replace standardized tests. Since students can save all their information on the cloud nowadays, they can demonstrate their understanding by creating portfolios rather than taking a one-time test. I predict that teachers will become facilitators of learning, and the model will be student-centered learning and project-based learning type of classrooms. Next, we go to virtual reality. I predict that in 10 years from now, students will be able to visit unthinkable scenarios. For example, they'd be able to go travel inside a human's body, or visit lost cities, or travel through space. I predict that many skills will be trained in virtual reality. I predict that students will be able to participate in virtual learning spaces. So, for example, they will be able to participate in virtual chat rooms by visiting each other using virtual reality. Next, we have augmented reality. My prediction is that eventually textbooks will be replaced by interactive digital websites. AR technology will be used in museums to increase engagement. Students will be able to scan QR codes to get information and use augmented reality to get understandings. AR programs will increase student understanding and retention of content because they'll be immersed in the content by using AR, and hopefully this will improve their retention. Then we have artificial intelligence. I predict that students' progress or decline in learning will be detected through AI. So teachers can troubleshoot whether or not students are learning and make improvements wherever necessary. I predict that education will focus on solving the world's problems. Since we have AI, we can move to more complex issues, and students in classrooms can focus on these different problems in the world. I predict that AI will be used to tutor many students, and unfortunately I predict that AI will replace many jobs. Stephen Hawking said, "Intelligence is the ability to adapt to change." And as rapidly as technology is advancing, the goal is for us to help students adapt, allow them to try new things so that way they can continue to learn and grow and move with the times. The last, I'd like to pose a question and say, the future is already here, and I'd like to ask you, are you prepared for it? Thank you for viewing my presentation.